how to add or attach GIF images to text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Next, we open up the text messaging app, and here select your text conversation. Then tap on the text message. This will bring up the keyboard. Then we tap on the sticker icon. Now scroll across until you find where it says the GIF icon. You tap on that. This will allow you to bring up a search box. And here you can browse for GIF images by different category, such as what's trending right now, happy, fun, thumbs up, and so on. There are different categories that you can choose to use your GIF images. So training right now, and then select the GIF image, and that will get added or inserted into your text messages text field or the compose text field here. Now you can insert one or multiple GIF images, and then down here we go back to the keyboard, tap on the keyboard button, we'll switch back to the keyboard mode, and then you can write the text message. So this is GIF images, and then tap on the send button. And that's it. So that's how you can insert or attach GIF images to text messages on Galaxy S26 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.